Are you concerned about your privacy on Facebook and want to take control of who sees your information? Well, you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Jenny from Online Help Guide, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps on how to make your Facebook account a private account. Let's ensure your personal information stays just that personal. Let's get started. Click on the three horizontal lines which is in the top right corner. Now go to the settings. Scroll down and click on profile locking. Here your profile information can be only seen by the friends that you are added in the Facebook. There are other options as well. Go to profile and tagging. You can decide who can post on your profile or what they can see on your profile, and also who can see posts that you are tagged in on your profile, and that's how you make a Facebook account a private account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.